Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix black screen on your screen capture or game captures. Now let's turn on OBS Studio and see what happens. Go to task and then say this display captures is won't working and no one see any cartoon or logos or icon inside, any movement. Okay, now let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, turn off this OBS, go to search bar, go to, let me turn off, go to search bar and then search graphic settings, select desktop apps, browse, go to Windows C, program files, and then search for OBS Studios. Go to bin 64-bit, and then depends on your Windows are using 32 bits or 64 bit. For me, I'm using 64, so I'm okay, and then press this exe OBS 64 or 32, depends on you, and then add. Now you go to options, and then you have two. One is Intel graphic and one is AMD. If you have this, select Intel. If you select AMD or NVIDIA, it won't working. Select Intel, power saving. It should be very good. If you have only one graphic card, so you don't have to make any changes. Just to select. Don't put to less window this side. Put to like your graphic models, and then press save. Okay, now we are successfully added. I'll turn over this and then restart this and then see what will happen. Yes, okay, now we are success. We can see the moving things, my mouse, everything, and then now we are done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification button to get notified. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to share it. Thank you.